The world's ecosystems are home to an astounding variety of species, each contributing to the delicate balance of nature. Some countries, however, stand out for their extraordinary diversity of wildlife, hosting an array of species found nowhere else on Earth. These regions offer a remarkable opportunity to experience biodiversity in its purest form, from tropical rainforests to arid deserts, and from dense jungles to frozen tundras. Here's a look at the top 10 countries with the most diverse wildlife. 1. Brazil. Brazil is undeniably one of the most biodiverse countries in the world, home to the largest portion of the Amazon rainforest. This vast, tropical ecosystem is a haven for countless species, including jaguars, sloths, capybaras, and thousands of bird species, including the iconic toucan. The Amazon alone hosts a quarter of the world's species, making Brazil a leader in global biodiversity. In addition to the rainforest, Brazil's wetlands, savannas, and coastal areas further add to its rich biodiversity. 2. Australia. Australia is famous for its unique wildlife, with many species found nowhere else on Earth. The country's varied landscapes, including deserts, rainforests, and coastal regions, support a diverse range of animals. From kangaroos, koalas, and wombats to the venomous box jellyfish and saltwater crocodiles, Australia's wildlife is truly one of a kind. The Great Barrier Reef, the world's largest coral reef system, also boasts incredible marine biodiversity, including sea turtles, reef sharks, and colorful fish species. 3. Indonesia. Indonesia, with its vast archipelago of over 17,000 islands, is a hotspot for biodiversity. Its tropical rainforests are teeming with life, from the orangutans of Borneo and Sumatra to the endangered Javan rhinoceros. The country's marine ecosystems, including coral reefs and coastal waters, are equally rich, home to rare species like the pygmy seahorse and the mola mola. Indonesia's combination of island ecosystems and vast rainforests makes it a global biodiversity powerhouse. 4. Colombia. Colombia is one of the most biodiverse countries in the world, boasting a variety of ecosystems from the Andes Mountains to the Amazon basin. Its rainforests, grasslands, and high-altitude Paramo ecosystems support an extraordinary range of wildlife. Colombia is home to over 1,900 species of birds, making it a birdwatcher's paradise. Additionally, the country is home to many endemic species like the Andean condor and the cotton-top tamarin monkey. 5. Democratic Republic of the Congo, DRC. The DRC is home to the second-largest tropical rainforest in the world, after the Amazon. The Congo Basin rainforest, rich in biodiversity, hosts a wealth of wildlife, including gorillas, chimpanzees, forest elephants, and the elusive okapi. The DRC is one of the last strongholds for endangered species like the mountain gorilla and the bonobo, offering some of the most unique and remote wildlife experiences on Earth. 6. Madagascar. Madagascar is often described as a living museum due to its high rate of endemic species. About 90% of the wildlife on the island is found nowhere else. The island's isolated position in the Indian Ocean has allowed many species to evolve in unique ways. From the famous lemurs and the fossa, a cat-like carnivore, to the island's extraordinary reptiles and amphibians, Madagascar's wildlife is truly unique. The island also boasts diverse ecosystems, including rainforests, dry forests, and spiny deserts. 7. Mexico. Mexico is a biodiverse country with a wide range of habitats, from deserts to tropical rainforests and high-altitude mountains. The country is home to a vast number of species, including the monarch butterfly, which migrates to Mexico each year, and jaguars, ocelots, and various species of birds and reptiles. The country's coastal regions, particularly the Baja Peninsula, also host unique marine life such as sea lions, humpback whales, and whale sharks. 8. India. India's diverse ecosystems, ranging from the Himalayan peaks to the coastal shores, support an incredible variety of wildlife. The country is home to iconic species like Bengal tigers, Asian elephants, and Indian rhinoceroses, as well as countless bird and insect species. India's national parks and protected areas, such as the Sundarbans and Kaziranga, are crucial habitats for endangered species and are recognized as some of the world's most important biodiversity hotspots. 9. Ecuador. Ecuador is another country that boasts incredible biodiversity, particularly due to its varied geography. The country is home to the Galapagos Islands, where species like giant tortoises and marine iguanas have evolved in isolation. In mainland Ecuador, the cloud forests and Amazonian rainforests are teeming with wildlife, including the endangered Andean condor, the spectacled bear, and numerous species of frogs, insects, and birds. Ecuador is also one of the best places in the world for birdwatching. 10. South Africa. South Africa is one of the most biodiverse countries in Africa, with an array of ecosystems ranging from the deserts of the Kalahari to the lush landscapes of the Cape Floral region. The country is famous for its Big Five wildlife: lion, leopard, elephant, buffalo, and rhinoceros, which can be seen in iconic reserves like Kruger National Park. South Africa's coastal regions are also home to unique marine life, including penguins, whales, and sharks, while its grasslands and forests are home to a variety of bird and mammal species. The countries listed above are just a few examples of the incredible diversity of wildlife around the world. From rainforests to deserts, mountains to oceans, these regions serve as vital habitats for species that contribute to the Earth's ecological balance. The protection and conservation of these wildlife-rich countries are essential for preserving the biodiversity that sustains life on our planet.